Okay, so at this moment in time, I was actually had been praying for probably a couple minutes or so. Um, when it came down to it, I was trying to pray until the white candle went out, the last candle in the entire home, and the video, the camera itself does not have um, audio, and I'm already around the corner to the right. So if you look at the video, I'm this way, and this is the door that closes. So I think it's at like 14:15. The door slams closed. You'll actually see it just like start moving, and then all of a sudden it just goes boom, slams closed. If you give it like a couple more minutes, it should happen. All right, it's coming up here soon. There it goes. Slam. So you'll see me come from this side over here, and you'll see I still have my hands in a praying fashion, and I never break that while I'm waiting for the candle to extinguish. No, I went upstairs. Why did I go upstairs first? I thought I was downstairs. I went. Yeah, so I put my hands back in a prayer, and I go open the door. And when I come back out, I'm still holding the prayer. Although I went upstairs without it, I did try and keep it the entire time. I checked the bathroom, all of the in the closet and everything. Came back out, left the door open completely, and went back to the candle and watched and prayed until it extinguished. That door never closed after that, and that's pretty much the entirety of what happened. But yeah, that's it. Oh, at this point, I did decide to pray in the closet slash bathroom area, since that was where it happened. But I decided to go back to the candle to watch the candle burn out and end my prayer at that time. Oh, I don't know if you just saw that, what was right there, but that was nuts. Back it up, because I don't know what the heck that was, but I just noticed it myself. It was like a white something, and it just like skidded across the floor. And there I come out after praying in there, and I go back to pray at the candle until I get done, until the candle extinguishes. And this was literally the last candle in the house at this moment. But that's it. So I'm gonna stop it here and upload this.